back to
What do we
slime.
hoot here?
Goodbye. Sorry, I forgot it. But we have a new slime. I made a new slime.
I think I need a doctor.
And like,
We need to talk. Lately you've been a little distracted.
Like,
honestly, I'm like not even sure what you're talking about.
Well, for instance, you just jelly.
Sorry, Jelly.
Dude, you need to focus on your true calling instead of daydreaming about being a movie star.
So let me get this straight. You're telling me that my true calling is to be a movie star?
What? No, that's not at all what
Oh my back, you're right. I mean, how can I deny the world all this talent and Duckalicious good looks? Sway, thank you for believing in me. I'm gonna go be a movie star now. Bye-bye, ciao.
What just happened?
Wow, I'm really excited to be in your next film, Mr. Quackbird.
Please, potatoes, call me Steven. I like a casual, relaxed atmosphere on the set.
Okay,
so it's going to
Steven.
be. See ya.
Are you familiar with my international